Introduction. This technical report is to analyze and identify local rocks, minerals, and fossils in Malaysia. Two locations that we chose for our case study are Langkawi Geopark, Pemeliharaan Tasik Dayang Bunting, and Orang Kita, Warisan Bukit Tengkorak, Sempurna, Sabah. There are three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic; three types of minerals: metallic, non-metallic, and precious; and three types of fossils: macrofossils, microfossils, and trace fossils.
I'm Gilman Azaria. I'm going to present about local rocks, minerals, and fossils in Malaysia. So, local rocks is categorized as three: igneous rock, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rock. For igneous rock, it is under plutonic. We pick serpentinite rock. It is formed when peridotite, dunite, and other ultramafic rock undergo hydrothermal metamorphism. The most obvious physical properties of serpentine are its green color, pattern appearance, and slippery face. Second one that we have studied is under volcanic is andesite. It is a fine-grained volcanic rock that is gray to dark gray in color. The minerals are too fine to be identified, with which the naked eyes accept the phenocrysts, which are amphibole. For metamorphic rocks, for regional, we have chose quartzite rocks. It is usually white to gray color, but impurity might affect it to be pink, red, or purple, yellow, orange, or brown, green, or blue. It forms during mountain building events at convergent plate boundaries. Next one is Karn under convex. So Karn colors variants are black, brown, colorless, green, gray, and white. It is hard, coarse grain, and metamorphic rock. For mineral, it is categorized as three: metallic, non-metallic, and precious. For metallic, we choose hematite. This mineral always produces reddish streak. It is compact, fine-grained material. It comes in a variety of colors ranging from red to brown to black to gray to silver. The mauve the hardness is 5 to 6.5. The next one is non-metallic. We have choose calcite. Calcite is classified under carbonate. When pure, it is colorless or white, but due to the existence of various impurity, it can be practically any color. Basically, the color is white, but it can be also other color. It has more hardness of 3. The last one is precious. Precious mineral, we have just raw quartz. It has pink transparent face. It varies in color from pale, almost until pink to a deep transparent pink. It has no cleavage. Raw quartz is sturdy enough to be used in any sort of jewelry with more hardness of 7 and no cleavage. The last one is fossils. Fossils is categorized as three: macrofossils, microfossils, and trace fossils. So for microfossils, we have choose graptolite. Graptolite, which is its general name is Pyrogaptus species. It is located at Kampong Pahit, Pangkalan Hulu, Perak. It ages 440 million to 410 million years ago in Silurian period. It located at the deep marine along continental margin. Next one is microfossils. Microfossils, which is Radiolara. Its scientific name is Neobalela ornithomi. It is located in Church or Silicious Shale, Bukit Bara, Pokok, Sena, Kedah. It ages 290 million to 250 million years ago at the Permian age. It located at the deep marine environment, floating at or near the surface of the sea. The last one is trace fossils for footprint. For footprint, we have choose iguanodontite dinosaur footprint. In Malaysia, it is located at Sungai Cicir, Hulu Terengganu. It ages 250 to 180 million years ago at Lower Jurassic Age. It located at the continental. That's all for me. Thank you for listening.
Limestone is a common type of carbonate sedimentary rocks. It is formed when this mineral precipitates out of water-containing dissolved calcium. It commonly used as an aggregate. It has some variety of color, including yellow, white, and gray. The similar rock as limestone is dolomite. Next is granite. Granite is a coarse-grained igneous rock. It is formed from magma with a high content of silica and alkali metal oxide. It commonly used as a dimension stone. The color can be white, pink, or gray. It is depending on their mineralogy. Similar rock with granite is felsic rocks. Volcanic rocks is a rock formed from lava erupted from a volcano. In the other words, it different from other igneous rocks by being of organic origin. It is used as a hardscape in landscaping. It have a variety of color and its similar rocks is as granite.
Minerals in Langkawi Geopark. Tourmaline. Tourmaline is a precious. Tourmaline is its own mineral family that contains a few different individual species. Tourmaline is both pyroelectric and piezoelectric, and it is actually semi-precious stone. Some tourmalines show a cat's eye effect, also known as chatoyancy. The effect is caused by various tube-like formations that form naturally during the gem's growth. They also have white streaks. Tourmaline is varied in color as their color changes when viewed at different angles. Tourmaline is produced in pegmatites. These are voids deep underground and filled with rich hot liquid that is rich in different minerals. The minerals crystallize and form tourmaline crystals when the liquid begin to cool down. Multicolored gems are usually used in jewelry. Many fine tourmaline crystals are preserved for their beauty instead of being faceted. Minerals in Bukit Tengkorak, Sabah. First is kaolinite. Kaolinite is a non-metallic mineral. Kaolinite is the most common clay mineral. It is used in pottery and ceramic. Kaolinite has a soft consistency and earthy texture. It is easily broken and can be molded when wet. The color of kaolinite is white, gray, yellow, and beige, usually formed from weathering in igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary environments. Kaolinite is the most abundant clay mineral used for pottery and ceramics, important in the production of paper, used in pharmaceuticals as an ingredient in some medications, such as stomach shooters, also used as an ingredient in some cosmetics, soaps, and toothpaste. The second mineral is pyroxene. Pyroxene are a group of dark-colored rock-forming minerals found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. They are abundant in many stone meteorites and present in some stony iron meteorites. Pyroxene is monoclinic or orthorhombic. The minerals have stubby prismatic crystals and the angle of cleavage plane intersection. The color of pyroxene is dark green to dark brown or black. Some pyroxenes, such as jadeite and spodumene, occur in a range of colors. They are formed under condition of high temperature and or high pressure. A few pyroxenes are used as gems, but only in rare instances when they have beautiful color and clarity. Jadeite, diopside, and spodumene are the most important pyroxene gem materials.
So next is the case study of fossil in Langkawi Geopark. So the first one is the trace fossil. The name is Dictyrodora species and the type is burrow. The age is in the late Cambrian and the location is at Jemuru Island. And next one is macrofossil. And this macrofossil named Spirulita petaliformis. The type is brachiopod and the age is early Permian. It is located at Kampung Sungai Itau, Langkawi. And next one is microfossil. Name is Panderodus nogamil. The type is conodons and the age is early to middle Ordovician and the location is at Langgu Island, Langkawi. The last one is Malayaspira rugosa. The type is gastropod. The age is early Ordovician and the location is at Anak Tikus Island, Langkawi. The last one for the case study is fossil at Orang Kita Warisan Bukit Tengkorak, Semporna, Sabah. So the first one is macrofossil. The name is Cryptochiridae. The type is crabs, and the age is 142 million to 65 million years ago, and the location is at Sungai Padas, Sabah. Next one is microfossil. Name is Lepidocylin species. The type is Foraminifera. The age is 25 million to 5 million years ago, or early Miocene, and the location is at Hadatu, Sabah. Okay, next is Amphistagina bodensis. The type is larger benthic Foraminifera. The age is late early Miocene to middle Miocene and the location is at Kalumpak, Semporna, Sabah. And the last one is Catacyclosclypeus annilatus. The type is the same benthic Foraminifera and the age is middle Miocene and the location is at Kalumpang, Semporna, Sabah.
My name is Rina Karisma Asma with the matrix number 73803. I am going to present for the conclusion after completing this task. What we can conclude from completing this task is that me and my team members have gathered a lot of new information about our own local heritage. We identified local rocks, minerals, and fossils generally in Malaysia. For the case study, we have picked Pemuliharaan Tasik Dayang Bunting in Langkawi Geopark and Warisan Bukit Tengkorak in Semporna, Sabah. This is also an interesting way to learn during this pandemic since we cannot visit the place itself. This technical report shows how much important it is to conserve our land when it comes to in terms of geology. One of it is because it has an economic value that can help improve the economy of the country. It can also be made into an education-based study tourism that can benefit the tourists and students like us. There are still many hidden gems in Malaysia, especially in Sarawak, that has yet to be discovered. These places give significance, occurrence, or distribution on how the rocks, minerals, and fossils are formed. This proves that it is very important to conserve our place so we would not lose it and gives opportunities for the future generation to cherish it. That is all. Thank you.